Ooh, maternity photo shoot. So my oldest son did a photo shoot of me back in 2018 when I was pregnant with my youngest son. Let me show you how we set the scene. So we got a bouquet of flowers and we got some non-dairy coffee creamer, but you can also use milk. And we broke the bouquet of flowers up and spread the flowers all around the tub. Now in the outcome of the video that you'll see in a few, you will see that we use a different bouquet of flowers and we use additional flowers, but I just wanted to show the aesthetics of how we set everything up. And as you can see, we went all the way around the tub, filling in all the spots with flowers, even using leaves and stems because I hate empty spaces. Now, if you try this, you can use as many flowers as you want, but I just wanted to kind of show how everything was set up. So we filled the tub with water, and I put the creamer in the water. It's not a certain amount measured. I just poured in there, and as you can see, I mixed it well with my hands. Then I took several flower heads and just dropped them in the water. As you can see, they're going to float, and this is going to be used as a prop when I get ready to do the photo shoot. And voila, you have a at-home prop scene for a maternity shoot. Let's see the results.
I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing.
Hope you enjoyed this how-to for at-home maternity photo shoot, and please follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok.